I'm Sara Green with Coldwell Banker Realty and the Bay Real Experts team. I'm here on the beautiful Deer Point Lake in Panama City, Florida, and I have here to show you a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, fully remodeled home. Sits on just over an acre with almost 250 waterfront feet. It also features a pool, a detached 3-car garage, a dock, and a boat ramp. So come on in. Thanks for taking this tour with me today on this super unique property on Deer Point Lake. If you'd like to see it in person or would like more information, please feel free to give me a call or text at the number below. Thanks, see you next time.